In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the best VPN server using Nordvpn. As more of us are working from home, browsing securely becomes increasingly important. So let's dive into how you can optimize your VPN connection with Nordvpn. First, you'll want to start by opening the Nordvpn app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head over to the Nordvpn website and select the option for your operating system to download the app. Once you have it installed, open it up, you'll see a map of the world with various pins indicating available servers. This visual layout is intended to help users like you easily choose a server based on geographical location. Now moving on to the next step, you'll want to click on the Quick Connect button. This feature is incredibly useful as it automatically selects the best server for you. This decision is based on various factors such as distance, server load, and your individual requirements. By allowing Nordvpn to select the optimal server, you ensure a smooth and fast connection with minimal hassle. Quick Connect is ideal for those who are either new to VPNs or simply want convenience without a lot of manual searching. For those of you who might require connection to a specific country or server, Nordvpn also allows you to manually select servers. Simply use the search function within the app to find the country you require, or choose from the available options on the map. Manually selecting a server might take a bit more time, but it can be beneficial if you need to access content region locked to a particular area. Additionally, if privacy and security are your top priorities, it's crucial to keep a few tips in mind when choosing a server. Consider factors such as the server's proximity to your actual location. Closer servers tend to offer faster connection speeds. Also check server load. Less crowded servers often result in more reliable performance. Nordvpn provides information about each server's current load, so use that to guide your selection for an optimal experience. In essence, choosing the best VPN server depends on your individual needs, whether that's speed, location-specific content access, or maximum privacy. Nordvpn's tools and features are designed to streamline the process and keep your online activities secure and private. Remember, using a VPN not only helps protect your personal data from prying eyes, but also grants you the freedom to access content worldwide without restriction. With these tips, you're well on your way to making the most of NordVPN's capabilities. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to enhance your digital security and online experience.